May 15th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East along with you. Had a hot and steamy day yesterday. Many of us once again 90 or better for highs. Look at Boone, even up to 85, 87 in Asheville. It was 92 in Burlington, 90 in Asheboro and Greensboro, 91 in Winston-Salem and Reedsville. A lot of low 90s across the foothills in Piedmont and the Charlotte viewing area, and again even well into the 80s in the mountain areas. But weather change is underway. The big upper level ridge we've had overhead, that is now being replaced by a bit of a trough of the Tennessee Valley and the Gulf Coast region, and that is in a favorable location to drive in a lot of deep tropical moisture across our region and bring us some pretty unsettled weather ahead. Early this morning, 5 a.m. hour, there's the Wake Forest camera from WeatherStem. That's in Winston-Salem, 72 degrees. Pretty balmy start to the day. There's the Dowd YMCA camera looking at uptown Charlotte. Temperature 71 in the Queen City as I cut the video this morning. It's 71 in Fayetteville, 72 in Wilmington and Cape Hatteras, and 60 in Boone, again during the 5 a.m. hour. Still quiet over a lot of the Carolinas. A little bit of rain in coastal South Carolina. More on that in a second. It's been very wet from the mid-Atlantic into the Great Lakes and the Plain States. Some flood watches out for those green shaded areas. And you have some pretty good areas of rain and storms in Ohio, Indiana, Michigan, back into Illinois, and arcing down from there to Missouri, Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. But really what we're concerned about is what's happening south of us. Georgia, South Carolina, down into much of Florida. Had some areas of rain, thunderstorms out into the Bahamas as well. That is with this developing area of low pressure there in the northeastern Gulf of Mexico. And that is really going to pump in some significant amounts of tropical moisture into the region. So there's your setup on the satellite imagery. Still some small chance this could develop into a classified system. The Hurricane Center is monitoring it, but I continue to doubt that this does become any type of classified system. But there's the low pressure in the northeastern Gulf. And as we get deeper into the work week, it's really going to pump in the moisture from the Gulf and the Atlantic right up into the Carolinas. And so as we get through Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, very unsettled weather setup. Now, some showers and storms across the region today. Let me show you the high-resolution future radar. This model a lot of times a little too aggressive with the showers and storms, but you get the idea. That chance for some showers and storms begins to creep in. Most widespread in the mountains. I think you get east of the mountains and it's a pretty widely separated coverage of showers and storms today, but that'll change. There's your highs. Not as hot today with more clouds across the region. Good chances tomorrow for those areas of showers and thunderstorms out there. Your highs held down even further for Wednesday. And Thursday might be the most active day in terms of the coverage of rain and storms this week. Good chances for areas of rain and thunderstorms on Thursday. Your highs look like that. We're going to keep good chances for some scattered showers and storms going for Friday. And then still into the weekend, some shower and storm chances, although I think there'll be a subtle decrease in the coverage of the showers and thunderstorms as we go through the upcoming weekend. Rain total is pretty generous over the next 5 days. There's the WPC outlook, a lot of widespread 1 to 3 inch totals, some higher amounts in the mountains and foothills. Specifically, there's the European model now through Sunday, 1 to 3 inches with locally higher amounts, and there is the GFS computer model, relatively similar. So again, we're not talking all-day rains here, but I think Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then to some extent into the weekend, some scattered showers and storms fairly widespread, especially in the afternoon and the evening. All right, that's it for the latest edition of the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.